Hello everyone, in this video I will show you all how to create a Twitter poll. So let's get started. Open up Twitter, then tap on the plus button to create a new tweet. Here, as you can see in keyboard, you will see this little icon. Just tap on this little icon, and here you should enter ask a question, for example test, and add a answer. Choice 1, for example 1. Choice 2, for example 2. You can also add a new, for example tap on plus button, add a choice 3 option, then tap on tweet. And here, as you can see, we create a poll on Twitter.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.